Of I don't like.
Don't like crispy kids.
Crispy kids on the stack. Datty's production by the crispy this.
Mackenzie, that's that school I don't like. That's that school I do like. Flicks, another school I do like.
From her.
No, but the last school I do like.
Do like.
That's the school I don't like.
Don't like.
Flagship, that's the school I do like. Don't like. Flicks, another school I do like. Noble, last school I do like.
Remix.
Do like. Kiki style. I'm about to go hard.
Crispy.
The kids at Mackenzie need help. They ain't got no manners. I grew up in the hood. I was raised good. What about you? I don't know about you, but I want to pass the 4th grade. Hey, my family goes hard. My people at school, they ain't nobody. Cause at Mackenzie, it is crazy. At Flagship, it is good. At Noble, it is great. And at Flicks, is good. I don't know about Mackenzie. That's a horrible school. Kids need discipline, yeah. They need some personal help. I don't know about me, but I go personal help. The schools at Mackenzie need help. I don't know about me, but they need help. Hey, Mackenzie, I just don't like it. Yep, Flagship, I do like it.
That's that school I don't like.
Mackenzie,
That's that school I don't like.
Flagship, that's the school I do like. Mackenzie, that's that school I don't like. Don't like. Mackenzie, that's that school I don't like. Don't like.
Remix production.
Here, I'm a good student. What about you? I'm a good student getting good grades. You? Can you get detention in a day? I can't, because I don't want to get in trouble, hey? Worry about me, worry about you. I'ma worry about me. My mama put me in check. Wait, hold up. My mama put me in check. Did you hear me say it? My mama put me in check. How about yours? Does she tell you when to shut your mouth or be quiet? Oh, if she don't, I feel bad for you. You need some discipline. Bad. Peace, y'all. Mackenzie, I don't like. That's the school that I really don't like. Mackenzie, that's the school I don't like. Candy, that's the school I don't like. Flagship, that's the school I do like. I love it. That's the school I do like. Noble, that's the school I do like. I love it. That's the school I do like. Flicks, that's the school I do like. I love it. That's the school I do like. Flagship, that's the school I do like. I love it. That's the school I do like. Caleb,
Your influence. That's how I was a good student.
Peace. It's time for Asian Nader rap. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. Get it going.
My name is Nathan. I'm a good student. I don't know about those other students. They bad students. I don't want to get in trouble. Y'all are bad students. Let me do my homework and get an attitude.
Hey,
Asian Nader, go hard. Mackenzie, you can get in trouble hard. Asian Nader, she just went too hard. She just talked about y'all. Now it's time for day. Oh, Flagship is the best, baby. I don't know about Mackenzie. That is a bad school. Has no plans. It don't have no plans. It don't have no plans or the can or cans.
We out!
Datty's Productions. Good song.
Let's watch it.
It's a wrap.